cover it. You just take that stuff off. You won't worry about anything else. I can. What do you think of that?
I can't believe it.
Yeah.
I can't believe it.
That's a heavy one. That one you're not going to be able to pick up.
I can't believe it.
Yeah.
I honestly, it made me cry because
Yeah.
Karl was here.
Yeah, I made sure both of your names are on it.
Karl was here.
And you got the birds. And it's pretty much the same as the other one.
You're going to be a
Top comes off just like the other one. I didn't make it hardly any different. So that you can fill it up. It's got these things even can come out too and you can clean them.
I don't know what to say.
You're welcome.
I don't know.
So that you got names on both sides, right? Now we're not even finished yet. See, I know you got a son and daughter.
Yeah.
And I don't want them fighting when you go and you're on your happy way.
Oh my gosh.
So we come over here. You take a look. Now you take a look at. Let's see what we got here.
2. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Got 2. So then they can have one each when you're done with them.
Isn't that not something? Oh my God. Then the rabbit can have one and Linda can have one.
Yeah, sure.